Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial for this super easy and quick rainbow leopard print. You'll need a white and a black face paint, a rainbow split cake, a sponge and also a paintbrush. So I'm using Global Colours Bright Rainbow Split Cake. I'm spraying it with water and then using my sponge, and I'm just kind of swiping it across and tapping until I get the brightest colour. And then I'm just sponging that onto my face and kind of trying to go around the eye as much as possible without like blurring any of the colours together. And then I take the two ends and just sponge them on to kind of buffer out the colour. And then I'm going into this black face paint and I'm painting on leopard print. The easiest way I can describe doing leopard print is to kind of paint on like messy circles with like gaps in between. So you want to push your brush round and wiggle and make all these different like organic shaped like kind of wiggles, and it's actually a really fun thing to paint. To make the design pop a bit more, I'm then going into a white face paint and I'm just adding a little highlights into the black leopard print circles and also adding some dots and then some starbursts as well. And to do that you just paint a dot, flick upwards to the left, to the right and down, and that's what creates this little star effect. You could leave the design here, but I'm going to add some glitter. So using aloe vera gel, I'm just like tapping that on the edges, and then I'm going into this iridescent silver mix, which is one of my own personal glitters, and then I'm just patting that onto the aloe vera, and that's what sticks it down. And then I'm going into this super fine iridescent glitter and I'm just patting that all over the design and onto my eye as well. And then this is the final design. So this is perfect for adults, children, men, women. It's like a really universal, easy party face paint design. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.